Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So recently when I was shopping at Lidl supermarket, I decided to pick up this really cheap little cordless Combi-Shear for the garden. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and a review of this tool. So here is the Parkside Cordless Combi-Shear. The model is PGSA 4B3. Comes with a 3-year warranty, Li-ion technology battery, so it's a rechargeable battery with this. It says on the box 2-in-1 for tidying lawn edges and shaping shrubs and hedges. Grass trimmer blade with a width of 80mm, hedge trimmer cutting length 120mm, hedge trimmer blade max cutting thickness is 8mm, blade change, tool free click system. So let's open up the box and take a look inside. So in the box you get the instruction manual. There's a USB Type C charging cable. So you can charge this via USB. It has a built-in battery in here, and it has these two different types of shears with protective covers on. So there's the sort of main one for small hedges, which is like a miniature hedge cutter, and then there's this one which is for edging, cutting grass up to edges, that sort of thing. Maybe do a little bit of topiary with this, that sort of thing. And then here is the main body of the Combi-Shear. It's got a rubber grip on it. It's got a turnable handle, so you can use this at different angles. There's a button that levers back and then you can snap it into position. You can do it either side as well, so you can have it 90 degrees, 45 one way, 45 the other. And then you've got the double safety switch here. Push that in, press that, you can see the light goes green. And if you don't press this one in, it's locked. Good safety feature. There's another sort of safety feature on the back here. We'll take a look at that in a moment. But it's a pretty simple tool really, just an on and off kind of thing. It's got a handle on it. Just need to add a shear on. So I haven't put one of these on before. Need to figure that out. There we go, they just pop on the bottom, and then there's two buttons either side which allows you to pull it off like so. That's now on. As you can see, even when you push the safety in, the machine is not working. So I think we need to add this little metal thing here, plug it in. There's two little holes at the back. That's like another safety feature. Now it should work. And now it works okay. And it's quite quiet. It says 77 decibels, which isn't too loud at all. I think that's quieter than your average hedge trimmer. Of course this is much smaller, but there you go. It's lightweight, feels nice in the hand, nice and lightweight. And as I say, you can adjust the angle here if you want to cut up a hedge that way, or if you want to cut on along the top like this. Nice smooth action there. So now what I'll do is I'll just take this out for safety, so that when you're changing the blade there's no way you can accidentally turn this on. So that is locked in now, that will not work. Now I can remove this shear. Let's add the other one. That one just pops on the same. Put this little safety back in. and that one works like so. So now we'll give this a test and see what it can do. So when you're not using the shears, they've both got a little carry case. This little one fits into this plastic case and clips in position, so it's nice and safe for storage. And this one has a little miniature sort of slide on sheath. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. So my final conclusions on this handy little tool. I think it's a nice little tool. It's lightweight, it's easy to use. I was probably using it for about 25 minutes and there's still battery in it, so I thought battery life might be a problem, but it doesn't seem to be, and it charges fairly quickly too. I like the safety feature. If you are changing the blade, just remember to take this out just to prevent any accidents. The blade change is very easy, as you can see, and it holds nice and sturdy too. So pleasantly surprised with the performance of this. If you've got a small garden, a small hedge, or a little area of grass that you want to trim, this could be the tool for you. It's cheap, it's a nice little efficient tool, stores away neatly. Why not buy one if you see one? If you're into your gardening, it's a bit of a must-have, especially at the price it's at. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.